Have you ever wondered how to create a passive income stream using affiliate marketing? Well, if so, I've got just the thing for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my top tips on how to create an incredible source of passive income using affiliate blog posts. Now, how would it feel to literally earn money while you sleep? Well, keep watching to find out how to do just that. But before we get into all that good stuff, if you're new here, this channel is all about providing you with the latest tips, strategies, and nuggets to help you launch, build, and grow your online business. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell if you'd like to hear more of what I've got here. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to earn online and create a stream of residual income over time. And while it may seem a little bit daunting and hard to get your head around how it all works, my aim here is to show you that affiliate blogging is a really good way to add an additional income stream to your pot while growing your credibility and building your business. Okay, first up, I want to highlight a few of the benefits that actually come with creating affiliate blog posts. So firstly, affiliate blog posts can be a really good way for you to get your voice out there and actually expand your audience, because it gives you a platform to showcase your expertise on a particular subject that matters to your audience and that they care about. And you also get the opportunity to generate passive income through using affiliate links. Plus, blogging is also a really good way to leverage SEO, meaning that you can use keywords in your posts to help people find them more easily on search engines like Google and Yahoo. So now I've got that out of the way, I'll move on to explain exactly what an affiliate blog post is and why they're important. So an affiliate blog post is pretty much any piece of content published online that promotes an affiliate product or service. And this will generally take the format of a review, a tutorial, a recommendation, or another info-based piece of content. And you would basically include a link to the content that the reader can use to purchase the thing that you're highlighting in the post. Hopefully that makes sense. And then to put it simply, anytime someone clicks on that link to make a purchase, you'll get paid a commission. And affiliate blog posts are important because they provide a great way for you to reach your target audience and introduce affiliate products and services that you know will benefit them. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, sharing affiliate products through blog posts can be a really good way to do this. Right, so to be able to promote affiliate products and services, you're going to need to create partnerships. And this is about looking at those people in your industry that you trust and that have great products and services that you want to share, right? And I would always encourage you to use products that you've already tried and tested. And the reason why I say that is because when it comes to making your offer, you're going to be able to do so honestly and with integrity, which will really help when it comes to building trust with your audience. Right, next, you're going to want to look for businesses that offer a good commission rate, that have quality products, that provide good customer service, and that are reliable when it actually comes to payments, because that's what we're doing this for, right? We want to get paid, right? And you can do this by researching programs or by directly reaching out to companies that you've worked with in the past, as I mentioned earlier, and just find out if they have an affiliate program. You'll be really surprised at how many people do have affiliate programs available, but they don't advertise these to kind of the general public, and only to those people who have actually used their services. So it's always a good idea to just go ahead and ask. Now, once you've selected a few good programs or partners, you're going to want to create accounts with them and start exploring their products and services. Now, something else that you can do to find affiliate partnerships is use what's called affiliate networks. Now, if you're unsure about what an affiliate network is, it's basically a company that provides access to multiple affiliate programs in one place. Kind of like a marketplace for affiliates, and this makes it easier for you to find the best programs and join them without having to sign up for each program individually or separately. These networks also make it easier for you to track your earnings from all of the programs that you're registered to at once and offer additional services like payment processing and fraud prevention. So affiliate networks are a great option if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing and don't really have anyone in mind that you want to partner with. Right, now when it comes to deciding on topics for your affiliate blog post, it's important to focus on those topics that your target audience would be most interested in reading about. And your end goal here is to create content that's going to help them solve some kind of problem or give them some kind of useful information that they can use. It's also good practice to be thinking about the keywords that you're going to be targeting, as this is going to affect the topics that you choose and also the types of posts that you write. So to come up with content ideas, take the time to do a little bit of research and also look at what some of the other popular bloggers in your niche are writing about to get ideas and a better understanding of the types of topics that are going to resonate well with your audience. And then once you have a few ideas, narrow those down to the ones that you feel are going to be the most helpful to your audience and focus on creating high quality content that offers them some real value. Creating compelling content that resonates with your readers and ranks well is not as easy as it sounds. And to be able to do this effectively, you're going to need to have a good understanding of SEO, so search engine optimization, and how that works. Again, focus on using the right keywords in your titles and also throughout your content. Now, to craft your post in a way that engages readers, you should really start by making sure that your post has all the right elements, like a catchy title, an engaging hook or introduction, helpful information, of course, and a strong call to action. It's also important to make sure your post is easy to read and also to skim through, right? And this is pretty much done by making sure that your sentences and paragraphs are short and, that you're breaking them up with headings, subheadings, images, videos, and other visuals that are going to help to keep your readers engaged. And then finally, don't forget to include that strong call to action. So the best way to do this is to add an actionable takeaway that encourages your readers to take the next step, which is pretty much to click on your affiliate link, right? Now, I would encourage you to create a video version of your blog post too. And that's mainly because creating a video version of your blog post is another really good way to engage more people and expand your reach. Also, video content is a lot easier to consume than text-based content, in my opinion. Plus, video can also help you to boost your SEO, as Google really rates multimedia content. And I just want to add that adding a video to your blog is pretty easy. All you need to do is record the post, edit it, and then upload it to your YouTube channel, and then just embed that link into your blog post. And that's going to enable your readers to be able to watch the video within the blog post itself, making it easier for them to consume your content. Now, if you do decide to create a video version of your affiliate blog post, don't forget to add your affiliate links in the video description. Also, if you want to check out the blog version of this video, you'll find a link in the description, as well as some other useful links and resources to help you grow your business and make money online. Right, so once you've created your content and optimized it for SEO, the next step is to add your affiliate links. So you're going to want to add your link multiple times throughout your post to make sure that you're getting maximum exposure and maximizing the chances of actually making a sale. And you can also use anchor text when linking your affiliate products, as this helps search engines understand what the link is about. And you really want to be aiming to incorporate relevant keywords in your anchor text so that they are as targeted as possible. Now, if you don't know what an anchor text is, it's pretty much those clickable words or phrases that you find in blog posts that link to other pages, so other blog posts, right? And these are really important for SEO because they help search engines, as I said before, understand what the linked page is about. And anchor text is important because it gives you another opportunity to get people to click on your affiliate links in another blog post, but it also keeps people on your website, which is really good again for SEO. So when adding anchor text to your content, aim to make it as relevant as possible to your topic, right? To the topic that you're writing about. And again, make sure you're incorporating those keywords whenever possible. Now, I just want to share a few tips for actually adding images to your post. But before I do, I just want to say that I would really encourage you to add images or screenshots because these really do make your post more visual and engaging, especially if you're doing something like a review or a tutorial post. You know, screenshots can really make posts easier for readers to understand and follow. Again, especially if you're doing a tutorial, right? Now, when adding images to your post, it's important to make sure that you're optimizing them for the web. And this means pretty much compressing them so that they don't take up too much space or slow down the loading time of your page. Now, when it comes to screenshots, you can use screenshot tools like Snagit, which pretty much lets you easily add annotations and highlight features of the product that you're actually reviewing. Now, you don't have to do that. You could literally just screenshot from your laptop. That's good enough. So it just pretty much depends on what you prefer. But for other types of images or visuals, you know, you can use something as simple as Canva, which is going to give you lots of different templates, lots of edit options, and which is pretty easy to use, right? And then finally, whenever adding visuals to your post, be sure to use alt text. And this is pretty much so that Google understands what the image or screenshot is about, which is again really good for your SEO. Now let's move on to summarizing the main points of your post and adding that clear call to action, which are pretty essential when it comes to making sure your readers have actually taken away something from your post and they know what to do to move on to the next step and can do so with ease. So spend some time crafting a compelling conclusion for your post and make sure that it includes the main key takeaways that you have spoken about to your readers. So this is literally like a recap, right? And you can do this by sharing a few of the key points that you made during the body of your post. You also want to include an actionable step for them to take next, or you might choose to add an anchor link, which again is another link that leads to another page. So basically, again, keeping them on your site, keeping them interested in your copy, and keeping them clicking on those affiliate links. So if you're having trouble coming up with a good summary or conclusion, this is definitely something that Jasper or ChatGPT can help you with. So definitely utilize those resources. And then once you've finished creating your post, it's then time to start driving traffic to it. Now, social media is a really good way to do this, and this is because it allows you to connect with potential customers, build relationships, and drive traffic back to your blog post. So try to create posts of pretty much all the platforms that you're on and provide snippets of what the post actually includes and how the reader is going to benefit from actually going over and reading the post. And you always want to be linking directly back to your blog post or to your video. So definitely keep that in mind. The person that sees that short video needs to know that they're only witnessing a really small part and that the actual blog post or the actual video is packed with more amazing content, right? So you can also use social media advertising to pretty much target people who might be interested in the offer that you're promoting. Similarly, reach out to influencers who you think might be interested in, the product, and see if they would pretty much like to collaborate on the promotion or review. You would be so surprised how much times the answer is going to be yes. Finally, you can use social media bookmarking sites like Reddit or StumbleUpon to share your posts with pretty much a wider community, as well as link building techniques like guest posting and commenting on other relevant sites to help build backlinks. So by using a combination of these methods, you can easily make sure that your content is reaching the right people and doing its job in driving more traffic, leads, and sales to your business. Again, you can use sites like Canva to create beautiful graphics to promote your affiliate blog posts, and you can also share your affiliate blog posts with your email list and on other channels like your website, YouTube, or any other social channels that you might be on. Finally, once you've started promoting your affiliate blog post, it's important to track the results and make any necessary improvements. So you'll want to be using a tool like Google Analytics to measure how much traffic your post is generating, how many conversions are being made, and also the types of content that are resonating the most with your audience. And bear in mind that you might need to change the title or add more visuals or update the content to keep it fresh and engaging. That's the whole point of tracking these metrics. You know, by tracking your post performance and by continuously making improvements, you're going to be able to maximize the income that you're receiving from affiliate marketing and reach even more of your target audience. And that, my friend, is what we call the wrap. If you put in the work and you create quality affiliate blog posts, then you will be rewarded with a steady stream of income in the long term, right? But what I want you to remember is that when it comes to affiliate blogging, there's no such thing as overnight success. You have to be prepared to commit to playing the long game. However, by creating high quality content that's engaging and relevant to the needs of your audience, what you can do is build an incredible source of passive income that can take your business and your life to the next level. Now, get out there, start creating some awesome affiliate blog posts today, because your future self is 100% gonna thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you want to see more content like this.